Whoa! Be careful.
Yeah, that's how you get yourself higher, but you have to be really careful.
Out here naked and swinging. Sienna! Say hi. Say hi.
You can't let go of the handles or you'll fall.
Say daddy. Aww.
Did you get it?
Mm-hmm.
You need mother to Uncle Johnny, right?
We do?
I mean, people in Las Vegas, I know.
That's Uncle Johnny. Uncle Johnny and Aunt Leanne.
He should know about this picture.
You're so funny. Careful, girls.
Look, Sienna's getting the hang of it, but I always have to push her because she's not kicking her leg.
Yeah, she doesn't know how to pump yet.
Yeah. Well, when she gets like a little bit more bigger and taller and knows how to walk better, I should teach her how to pump, right? Like 4 years old or 5 years old. 4? That much better?
Yeah.